Welcome here, the very big and beautiful hotel. Hotel with golf place. Here. Ang ganda nito. Golf pala yung doon, ano?
Tapos yan, parang ganun sa...
Ang laki, no? Si Sir Willie, nandun yata, ano na ba? Andun. Ano ba? Sir Willie, nandun sa baba. Andun, no? Andun, no? Ayun.
Baka nag-golf.
Ito, ako po sa baba. Next.
There's a man down there.
Sitting there, oh.
Really?
Where are we going? Upstairs?
I don't know where we got. What's the thing with the pie shop? Around. Hey, that's
What's in here, oh? Oh, the giant tree in the Philippines. Christmas tree. You see that?
early.
How many feet is that? 20 feet? 20 feet tree. I think 20 feet is one. Oh, God. Christmas tree is very high. Nasa 20 feet to. Taas eh. Here, 20 feet ang taas niya. Ayun, here, oh. So here, so you can play golf here. Okay. Information membership. Yan. Thank you. Very beautiful here in Kosi. Wow. Wow. You can play golf here. Oh. Play golf. You can go upstairs if you want. It's the giant. Ay, Christmas tree ba? Christmas tree in the Philippines. 20 feet. Sigo.